Peter, Erwin,
Hey.
welcome aboard.
Hey.
Welcome to HOD Wheels. And ready to go?
Sure.
Yeah?
Definitely. Some
Relax.
sightseeing here in Bochum.
Yeah, let's do like a little tour of Bochum. While we talk about your program, your success story, they say. So, actually, Peter, you are the first.
Okay.
So, can you tell us a bit more about the project, the challenge, in a few words?
Sure. Well, actually, I wouldn't call it a challenge, a data
Okay.
challenge. I would call it more a data vision that we're currently having.
Okay.
Because we're doing power plant simulations. And we had the idea that with these simulations, you can produce a lot of data. Call it synthetic data. And we want to use this data to train an AI on operating this plant. Because currently you have an asset, you have a plant, you let it run, you get data for over a year, then you train an AI.
Yeah.
With our approach, with the synthetic data, you can do that up front. And that's the vision that we're having.
Okay, so you get a kind of preview.
Exactly, right. With the simulator, you have a digital twin of your asset. You can drive it in any circumstances that you want to do, that you can't do in real life. And you get a whole lot of data.
Wow. So you kind of you tell the future in a way.
Yeah, you can say it.
You run simulations.
Yeah.
Simulations over simulations, right?
Yeah.
And you get what the future could be.
Exactly. And then we take an artificial intelligence and say, so here's something you can play with. Play with. Learn it. Learn how to operate it. Get a grip on that. And then, as the simulations are very detailed and exact, we can use this artificial intelligence to drag it over to the real life application.
Okay.
So, well, that's way in the future. I think.
Yeah, but it's like a practice run. You can have the AI. You can teach the AI to basically run certain parts of the process in the virtual world without having to kill a power plant over and over again while trying to learn how to,
I think
run this.
that's a good idea anyway. I mean, I know, I was not there, but I was told that during the challenge, Erin, there were other startups.
Yeah.
The main focus was AI, but not yours.
Yeah.
So, how did you get here at the end? I mean, if it was not your core, I was told. So what? How
AI, creating AI solutions is our core business.
Yeah, but they told me the presentation and
didn't really contain any information about this model's gonna be the future. This is how it's gonna be. No, and we never do that actually, because AI is making data into a model, and this model we don't know anything yet, right? We're just having we had a video presentation and I think one video call before the proposal, the challenge started. Yeah, I mean, we knew that we were onto something. We knew that AI had real value there, but like the details of the model, that is something currently still in development, even though we are in the way for a few months now. So yeah.
And what did you, Peter, saw in Erwin, let's say, in landscape?
That was exactly what he just said. There are so many solutions that you can do with AI, and the other startups just jumped on something. Okay, we are doing a big data approach for your problem. We are doing this, we're doing that, and we were like, hold it. Please, one step back. We actually don't know yet what we really want to do with it. So their approach of, hey, let's sit together, talk about what you want to do, what you want to achieve, what we can do, what solution we can take, and that was what convinced us. Because we had the feeling they want to understand what's going on in our business and where we want to go with the solution. And I think this was really good because now both of us have a clear vision where that can go.
Oh, that's nice. And during the challenge, there was any time you thought, okay, I'm not gonna make it. Oh my God, I cannot deliver what they're asking. I don't understand anything about what they want.
nothing that serious, but we did a deep dive session for 2 days, which was, I think, from early morning till after 5.
Okay.
It was just so much information.
We dumped everything on
Yeah,
him.
we got everything, and it was amazing. But like afterwards, we went for a beer and talked things over, and
just to forget.
Everyone was just like, "I'm really tired today." It's like, yeah, just an information overload, which was super cool from our side as well, because usually there's need to be a lot of background research. So people say, "Okay, I'll get back on this," but not this time. So they knew everything, every detail, every question you had, like they had a solution for that. So we went through the time very quickly. We learned a tremendous amount of information about how power plants run, how the power grid works, and everything. And it's but in the end, it was like, okay, how are we gonna condense this back to like our first proof of concept? Where to start, basically.
Okay.
Yeah.
From our side, besides the obvious challenge where we can grow our business from directly, I think this project, we've been the envy of many data scientists from other companies. Yeah. It really, this challenge, it kind of helps us attract new talent as well, because we're doing reinforcement learning, and that is something that's normally reserved for the academic world. Yeah. So, for example, teach the AI to play a game or something like that, which has no real life value. I mean, it's cool if you can create an AI that plays a game, but then what? And I think this is one of the only examples I know of where reinforcement learning actually can make a difference in real world. So it has a real world application, and that's something that I've been talking to some other friendly businesses which are in the same area, and they're all saying, you're really doing cool stuff here. So yeah, definitely this is also on a nerdy perspective. Yeah, this is definitely a cool challenge for us.
Oh, that's good. I mean, I can really feel you're really enthusiastic, and really you're sharing this enthusiasm and positivity with here in the car, and hopefully with everybody you're talking to. So really happy about that. Yeah. Really happy, and it was extremely interesting talking to you guys. Really, thank you so much for your time.
Thanks for the drive.
Thanks for the tour.